Yo guys, what's happening? These are the sort of videos that I wanted to do next, now the weather's got good. Me out on my bike, not just with a dog. Nice settings around here in the British countryside. A little bit of off-roading with a boy. Have it. Woohoo! Get yourselves out there, get in the sun, mate. Being pussies. Fucking does wonders for your mental health, man. Might think I'm weird. Yeah, I am weird, and I love it, mate. Woohoo! It's my good side, mate. Oh! Need to sort my GoPro out so I can actually have it on my chest and on my bike. Because otherwise, the man's going to have a broken wrist and ankle before summer actually properly kicks in.